To file a float plan in Bloop, you have to be a vessel operator and have the boating module activated. This demo uses a crystal ball. You can file a float plan. Click Float Plans. Existing float plans you've already filed are listed here. If you're going to do something similar to something that you've already done, you can clone the existing float plan and make any adjustments. That saves a bit of time. But let's create a new one. Every float plan is in service to some project that's already been defined. So choosing test project, any information that can be pre-populated from the project definition is included here. The demo user as the vessel operator is pre-populated, and the vessels that I'm allowed to take out are listed under the vessel. I'll choose Panga 5. Crew are chosen from the database of users that we have, and you can add any passengers from the same sort of pick list like that. Specify the purpose and some notes on the nature of the operation. Your itinerary obviously has a departure point and a return point, and you can add in waypoints along the way, and multiple waypoints can be added in simply by clicking that button. We'll just do a straightforward out and back. We'll go from Laguna Beach Shores Cove to Anacapa Inspiration Point back to Shores Cove. Assuming it's all on the same day, you don't have to make any adjustments to the date, but if you wanted to have a multi-day trip, that could be put in here. What this does is enables the system to detect that if 5 p.m. passes and no check-in for this vessel has been received, an alert is sent to the BSO and to the vessel operator, checking to see whether you're still out on the water, and to remind you to check the boat back in. A delay can be set on this for an hour or so, whatever you choose afterwards, as a safety precaution. You've filled in your emergency plan details, click submit, and the plan is sent to your BSO for approval. If we visit the dashboard, we can see here there's an alert saying that check-in was expected at this time, which hasn't happened yet. We're past this time, so the system's reminding us that we need to check in. This alert can also be configured to be sent via email or via SMS message, and the vessel operator can check in simply by replying to the SMS. When you do check in, there's a post-departure checklist that you can upload. Any paperwork or documentation pertaining to this trip can be added in here.